everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is a design based off of Cadbury mini eggs. If you're from the UK, you will know what I'm talking about. So it's a very easy Easter simple nail tutorial. I've already done my base. I used the Bow Nails rubber base in warm pink. It's a bit more of kind of like a builder gel, like a biab, but I was really impressed with it actually. It lasted really long. No issues with chipping or anything, and I really liked it. So yes, I've already done my base like I said. Ignore the little bit on the side of my nail where I've cut myself. I can go a little bit OTT when I'm prepping sometimes, but it's okay because it's only my hands, and I'm kind of going through a lot of dermatitis issues at the moment as well, so there we go. So using some pastel colours for this design, I could have gone a bit more pastel, but the colours that I chose I was actually really happy with. And I am also aware that mini eggs doesn't have a blue in them. There is no blue mini egg, but I thought it went really well, and yeah, I was really happy with the end result, so I went with blue as well as the other colours. The main gel in this design is the gel bottle's bad arse. I hate saying that as someone from Britain, because I can't say it like badass, it just doesn't sound good. Anyway, that's the shade, badass, badass, whatever you want to call it. That is what makes this design look so mini egg like. I could have gone in there with a few specks of like white or maybe like an off black, more of a brown colour, but it's just really simple and effective for looking like Easter eggs, so that's what we did. So the blue that I'm using is Forget Me Not by the gel bottle. The yellow is Queen Bee. The purple is actually Flax, which is more of not a pastel purple, but it's literally my favourite purple that the gel bottle does. And then I left the pink colour as the rubber base colour, which is the warm pink. It's a really opaque kind of rubber base. It's a really opaque base coat, which is actually what led me to buying it. I saw another tech on Instagram using it and I was like, I literally need that. She uses it as like a base for all of her French designs because it's a really nice it's a really nice opacity, is that the word? Yeah, it's kind of like a really opaque, dense base coat. Anyway, moving on. Yes, so those are my colours chosen, and I also used a white, which was from Magpie, not the gel bottle, and it's the Plain Jane from Magpie. So all you have to do for this design is 2 coats of each colour, again ignoring the pink nail because we're leaving that as the base coat colour. 2 coats of each colour, and then I literally went in with the badass from the gel bottle. You can laugh at me in the comments. Thumbs up if you think I sound ridiculous, and subscribe. Yes, so it's very simple. I'm probably just going to leave it in real time so you can just watch and chill out. And then I've got a little like mini egg photo shoot that I went for at the end. If you want to see the photos, head to my Instagram, Hollie Beauty. So like I say, I'm just going to leave you to watch what I'm doing. It's pretty self-explanatory. If you have any questions at all regarding my prep or anything, I was actually so happy with the prep work of this set, which is kind of annoying because I didn't film it. So if you want me to do a prep video, I could do something like that. Not really sure. Let me know what you think. Don't forget to like it and subscribe if you want to. No pressure. I will see you in my next video. And I'm quite good to getting back to comments, so yes, if you do have any questions, please do ask. Sorry, me again, just butting in here already. So, quick tip with the badass gel. Most people don't realise what this gel does if they see it from like the swatch. It's really nice over any colour, literally it's such a nice effect. Can look like lace sometimes, really like it. The trick with this is to literally put the tiniest amount on, don't put like a huge blob and then end up with so many of the little specks inside it. Just put a teeny bit on, add a little bit more at a time if you need to, and then I kind of blended it out, trying to use the brush. Sometimes I use another brush. I just kind of move them out so they're nicely spaced apart. You don't want to put too many dots on there because it just looks a bit too much then. And I will also mention that I finished with a matte top coat, which is the matte top coat by the Gel Bottle. Really, really good matte top coat, best that I have tried by far. Their top coat, the shiny one, is also my favourite ever. Also, I've mentioned it in previous videos, that's the Extreme Shine top coat by the Gel Bottle. Love it. But yes, their matte top coat is super long lasting, stays super matte, and is really nice. So yeah, probably 200 colours by the Gel Bottle now, so I've built up quite a collection. And if I've ever tried other things, you know, if I've ever swapped things out, sometimes I find myself going back to the Gel Bottle things, such as their bases. For instance, the clear rubber base is my all-time favourite base, so it seems to be a running theme that I love their top coats, their base coats, their gel colours. I think for a beginner, even though they are a little bit more expensive than other brands might be, they do bundle packages. They're great for training, they're great for, their files are incredible, really long lasting. I do definitely recommend the Gel Bottle even as a beginner if you're starting out, because you can get some great deals on the Gel Bottle with their sales and that kind of thing. I would just recommend them to anyone, so I just thought I would mention that in here. Amazing, so we are fresh out of our LED lamp. I use the Gel Bottle lamp, by the way. Very good lamp. I promise this isn't sponsored, I wish. I'm also using the Gel Bottle's cuticle oil, which I actually don't normally use because it's unscented. I have it in case I have a client who doesn't want a scented oil. I myself am literally obsessed with scented oil. In fact, I actually make my own cuticle oils. I could do a video on that if you'd like me to, because I love to give my clients a choice of scent. The list is endless with me because, like I say, I'm obsessed with it. And they're more natural ingredients, so that's also a bonus. But yeah, that takes us to the end of our video for today, really. If you have any questions, like I said before, just ask and I shall get back to you. And I'll see you in my next video. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great Easter. Bye.